Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi
warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Good evening, everyone.
Good
wabarakatuh.
evening.
From the Butterfly Group would like to present the result of our project work, namely a scientific article entitled Sentiment Analysis of KPU Twitter Data Using the Net Bias Method, which consisted of me as moderator, Lina Pencono with NPM 2131121, and my friend Irati Rahmawati with NPM 2131122, and my friend Lydia Ramdini with NPM 2131194. Background. In the current digital era, social media has become one of the main platforms for fetching public opinion. Twitter, as one of the most popular social media, allows users to express their view and feeling in real time on various topics, including political issues and elections. The General Election Commission's KPU use the institution responsible for organizing elections in Indonesia is often the subject of discussion and highlight on this platform. Understanding public sentiment toward the KPU can provide important insight that can be used to improve public communication and institutional politics. Sentiment analysis is a technique used to identify and categorize opinions expressed in a text, especially to determine whether the author's attitude toward a particular subset is positive, negative, or neutral. The net bias method, which is a simple, good, effective machine learning algorithm, is often used in sentiment analysis because of its ability to handle large and complex text data. This research aims to apply the net bias method in analyze Twitter data sentiment related to the KPU. And will be explained next by Iratri Rahmawati.
Formulation of the problem. How effective in the net bias method in analysis sentiment on Twitter data? Relate to the General Election Commission KPU and to what extent the result of sentiment analysis can provide a better understanding of people's views and preferences towards candidate and political issue relevant to the election general. Next, research purpose. The aim of sentiment analysis of Twitter data about the General Election Commission using the net bias method is to understand and evaluate public perception of the KPU based on comments and opinions expressed on the social media. Several specific. 1. Objective of this analysis cover. 2. Measuring public sentiment. 3. Reputation monitoring. 4. Database decision making. 5. Issue and crisis detection. 6. Campaigns and program evaluation. And policy development. Next, benefit of research, cover various aspects that can increase the KPU understand and response to public opinion. Here are some of the main benefits. 1. Efficiency and accuracy in data processing. 2. Identity sentiment. 3. Monitoring the dynamic of public opinion, trends, and charts. 4. Quick reaction to issue crisis detection. 5. More informed decision-making, policy basis. 6. Campaigns and program evaluation, reach feedback. Developing more effective communication. 8. Increase public engagement, better interaction, and cost effectiveness, cost and time. Next, research stakes. The research aims to conduct sentiment analysis on Twitter data relates to general election communication is using the naive Bayes method. This research methodology includes multi stages from data collection to model evaluation to ensure accurate and relevant sentiment analysis. In the chapter, each step taken in this research will be explained in detail. Data collection. 1. Data source. 2. Use of Twitter API and data collection period. Data pre-processing. 1. Removal of punctuation and special characters. 2. Tokenization. 3. Removal of stop words and stemming and lemniscation. And data labeling, sentiment category, and manual and automatic process. Model evaluation formula. 1. Accuracy, preparation, recall, F1 score.
And what will be explained next by Lydia Ramdi.
Result and discussion. After applying the naive Bayes method to the collection Twitter data, the following are the sentiment analysis result obtained. Sentiment distribution. The following graph show the sentiment distribution of the called tweet. From this graph, it can be seen there the majority of tweets tend to be neutral, followed by tweets with almost equal positive and negative sentiment. Workload provides an interesting visual representation of the dominant keyword in Twitter conversation about the KPU. Model evaluation. After training the naive Bayes model performance evaluation of the carrot of using accuracy, precision, recall, and F1 score metric. The following are the evaluation results. Model accuracy 0.92, precision 0.93, recall 0.93, F1 score 0.90. These results show the model has good performance in classification sentiment with a fairly high F1 score value. Based on the naive Bayes method, the accuracy result is 0.92 with a negative precision of 0.93, precision 100, and recall value of negative 100, and positive value of 000, and an F1 score value of negative 0.96 and positive value of 000. Consultation. Result of public views of the General Electronic Commission (KPU) through Twitter and analysis using the naive Bayes method provides and substantial picture and dynamica of the public opinion in the digital realm by explaining to some of the tweet related to the KPU. This research reveals a number of conclusions that are important for our understanding of the Hague Government Institute is viewed and preface by the public. One of the main findings of his research is that the majority of tweets tend to the natural, this indicates that most of the conversation taken place of social media do not have explained assessment of the KPU. However, the extent of a significant number of tweets with positive and negative sentiment indicate variance in the public view of KPU. This is diversity of support and critique reflects the complexity of public opinion towards this government institute.
Okay, that's all our group presentation. I have what the country is useful. Thank you, everyone. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
wabarakatuh.